Do you want to create AI videos like these, especially with sound effects? But here's the problem. Adding sound usually means jumping between multiple tools, one for images, another for video, and yet another for sound effects. It's time-consuming and complicated. What if I told you there's a way to do it all in one tool, quickly and easily? That's exactly what I'll show you today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create AI-generated videos with sound effects using just one tool, Freepik. Let's get started. First, head over to freepik.com. We'll begin by generating a reference image, which will set the foundation for our video. Click on Generate Images. Now enter a prompt. Let's go with cinematic shot of a ship sailing through the ocean, stormy environment, raining. Next, choose an image model. I'll go with Google Images 3 as it delivers high-quality cinematic visuals. Make sure to select a 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for widescreen videos. I'll generate 4 images and pick the best one as our reference. And just like that, we have our images. Looking through them, I think the first one is the best choice for our video. Now, let's turn this image into a video. Click on Videos in the sidebar. Select Custom Mode so we can choose the best AI model for our video. I'll go with Kling 1.6 Pro, which is excellent for cinematic videos. Click Start Image and select our reference image. Once we select it, Freepik automatically generates a prompt for the video. Here's what it came up with. A slow, steady Dalian movement towards the ship, capturing the intricate details of its sails and hull as it navigates through the turbulent waters. The camera maintains a low angle, emphasizing the ship's grandeur and the surrounding stormy atmosphere, while creating a sense of immersion in the scene. That sounds perfect, so I'll proceed without any edits. Now let's generate the video. This will take a few minutes. And here it is, let's play it. Looks good, right? But something is missing. Sound. A great video needs the right sound effects to bring it to life. Click the sound icon at the top right. Enter a prompt to guide the AI. I'll type in storm, ocean, ship to match the scene. Click generate and wait a few minutes, and now let's play it. Listen to that. The crashing waves, the howling wind, it completely transforms the video. Now we have a fully AI-generated video with immersive sound effects all in one tool, and that's it. We just created a cinematic AI video with realistic sound effects using Freepik, all in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI content, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you want to create next. I'll see you in the next one.